Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings on the AGM H6. So first open settings, just scroll down from the top and scroll down again and press this little settings button. Now look for display section. It's right here. This is where are many options what you're looking for. We can change our brightness, our theme, our display size and text size. You can also enable eye shield for reading books. You can also set off refresh rate, auto rotate, pretty much everything you will want. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.